Today we are celebrating the launch of olive oil season, in which has started in the middle of August, and it continues. And olive oil started in Jabal Al Akhdhar from the royal court farm when the King of Spain visited Oman and pay a visit to the royal court farm, and he gave them more than 10,000 trees. And since then we started to plant trees, olive oil trees, and we're having now in Jabal Akhdhar a considerable number of trees in which we can produce olive in a very high quality. We go through a long process in order to produce olive oil. First of all, we start from harvesting the olive. Later on, we put it in the machine, and the machine will make it clean. So we clean it up. Later on, from cleaning, it will go to smashing process. Then from smashing, it will go to squeezing. After that, when we go after the two first process, then we will go to extracting olive through a centrifuge technology. Then after we have the olive oil, it will be purified through a machine that we have already. Then it will be bottled